Hello, fellow Americans. I'm Mr. Steffler. I'm here coming to you from room 111 at Clintondale Middle School. And I want to talk about tomorrow's map quiz that is going to be happening for chapter 15. And I want to talk about the map quiz has 2 maps on it as a front and back 6-question multiple choice test. So let's get into the 2 maps that it's talking about on page 1 of the map test. Is about the map on page 205 of your textbook. You can look that up on Edmodo. What this is a map of Oregon. And it talks about the Oregon country. The map tells you how Oregon was divided between the United States and Britain. We didn't fight a war over Oregon. We got it through diplomacy. We divided the country in half. People got to Oregon on what's called the Oregon Trail, but the Oregon Trail, it only shows the end of the Oregon Trail on this map. It doesn't show the whole thing. Also, it shows that Oregon is bordered to the west by the Pacific Ocean. It's bordered by Alaska on the north, and at the time, Russia owned Alaska, and then it was bordered by Mexico to the south. Oregon country was very large, and that's one of the reasons why we divided it, because why do we need the whole thing? Now, the back of the map quiz is a little bit more difficult. It has the map from the first page of our chapter, and the map looks like this. It has our different parts of our country that we gained. The number one piece of land is the Louisiana Purchase. Number 2 is Florida. Number 3 is Texas. Number 4 is Oregon. Number 5 is what's called the Mexican Cession. And number 6 is the Gadsden Purchase. We got Louisiana in 1803. We got Florida in 1819. And it took to the late 1840s to get the rest of it, whether we got it through warfare or got it through diplomacy. Now, the places that we got through warfare was when we had wars with Mexico. That involves Texas and the Mexican Cession. So you need to know that we got the Mexican Cession and Texas through warfare. The bottom part, number 6, is the Gadsden Purchase. We made that purchase in 1853 so we could build a railroad through there. So that is just some information about those maps. Your quiz is tomorrow on the early release day. You will be taking it with the test on Friday if you're not here on the early release day. Please watch this video a couple times. See the maps in the book that I've left for you on Edmodo. God bless you, and God bless America.